Lordship, the order has not been complied.
On the last occasion, your lordship will kindly remember I had handed over a bunch to my learned friend as well as to your lordship, my lord, which contained the reasoned order, and they said we have never received it. I also gave the proof of service, my lord.
Yes,
And your lordships, my lord, checked, my lord, your lordship yourselves checked the tracking number and was showing that item was delivered.
All right.
So my learned friend was supposed to take instructions whether they have received.
Has the order been complied?
Lordship, the order has not been complied.
On the last occasion, your lordship will kindly remember I had handed over a bunch to my learned friend as well as to your lordship, my lord, which contained the reasoned order, and they said we have never received it. I also gave the proof of service, my lord.
Yes,
And your lordships, my lord, checked, my lord, your lordship yourselves checked the tracking number and was showing that item was
Okay.
delivered.
All right.
So my learned friend was supposed to take instructions whether they have received it or not.
All right.
Lordship, I have received on my behalf of the petitioner. Petitioner herself is present. This is the picture of today's morning. The building has been, no action has been taken. Neither any notice has been served in this building.
What was the order?
Lordship, for demolition.
Order was for demolition.
Demolition. Lordship, page number 12.
For demolition of the unauthorized construction in accordance with law. And the documents handed over by the municipality, the corporation, what does it say? Demolition took place.
The reasoned order, no. My lord, the order was that the BMC is accordingly directed to take steps for demolition in accordance with law after giving reasonable opportunity of hearing. My lord, we have passed the reasoned order. We have given the notice for vacating, my lord. The actual demolition has not taken place, my lord.
When will it take place?
My lord, there is no. My lord, anyway, my lord, we have given the notice for my lord vacating. We have given the notice to the police also. My lord,
The recent order was passed in June 23, a year back.
23, yes.
A year back.
Yes.
1 year has elapsed. You could not find time to.
My lord, we have already intimated the police, my lord, perhaps before because the my lord, the election, my lord, they have not given the force, my lord. We'll write back to them, my lord, and we can come back to your lordship, my lord. After
at the time of filing,
1 minute.
the building
1
was
minute.
under construction.
The order was passed in 22.
My lord.
No, it was passed in February 23. The reasoned order is passed by you in June 23.
Yes.
In end of June 2024, the position remains the same. Only piling up papers will not help.
My lord, I cannot,
Actual
my lord,
work has
my
to
lord,
be done.
I cannot, my lord, better the factual position, my lord.
I understand.
But my lord, the considerable steps have been taken, my lord. We can, my lord, go back to the police saying that you kindly provide me the force, my lord.
The court's order in this case was to take steps for demolition of the unauthorized construction in accordance with law
My lord,
within a stipulated time
my lord,
period.
everything preceding that has been taken. My lord, the hearing has been given, order has been passed. The petitioner came up on the
Fact
last occasion
remains-
saying that even after receipt of it, my lord, they suppressed it before your lordship. My lord.
It hardly matters because it is you who are to comply the order.
My lord, how? My lord,
Listen,
coming and saying I have not
listen.
received the order, my lord, that my lord,
Doesn't matter. The fact remains the building, the unauthorized construction still stands. This has to go.
no,
Please come.
we'll get back to the police, my lord.
No,
so that-
not get back to the police. Get it demolished. Now bulldozers are seen everywhere. Let the bulldozer go and demolish the unauthorized construction because this is according to your order.
my lord, that is for the hawkers, my lord.
The order of demolition. The Commissioner Bidhannagar Municipal Corporation on 24th of June 2023 is yet to be implemented. Stop. Next. The time for implementation of the said order has expired long back. Stop. Next. The contemner is directed to take immediate steps to implement the order passed by him. Stop. The contempt application is made returnable on 22nd of August, 2024, stop. An affidavit of compliance annexing photographs of the structure be placed before this court on the adjourned date with an advance copy to the learned advocate for the petitioner. Yes, next.
If you